Hello everyone, I am back with another Hot Wheels car review. It's gonna be on the Pagani Zonda R. So let's go on the review. Check out this car, it looks so cool. He has the big Pagani logo on the spoiler. The number 1 over here, some golden rims, lots of cool interesting colors. Looks like a looking Pagani race car. I have see the front between the difference of the 17 Pagani Haraya. It looks different. The front over here is the same. And this car is completely different compared to the normal one. And I love this car. It looks like a real racing car. So anyways guys, make sure to like, subscribe and comment. So anyways guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.